Hi, and welcome. Here we provide helpful videos about editing your English so you become a strong editor. Be it research, nonfiction, fiction, or business writing, we provide tips and tricks so that you become a strong author. We're going to help you self-edit, work with an editor, publish, market, launch, and so much more. It's important to learn how to self-edit your English. By mastering the art of self-editing, you become a stronger writer, plus you achieve better results from your editor via clear communication. Of course, self-editing also saves you money, which is very important. Editing is one of the biggest investments you're going to make in the creation of your manuscript. First editing is your connection to professional editors who are there to help you and provide personal assistance. You can call us, write, or chat at any time, and we're real people. We're not impersonal fly-by-night freelancers. We're there with references and training to help you. Check out our successfully published authors and our thousands of testimonials online. Learn to edit from us. And we're certified and vetted editors with advanced degrees, extensive training, and specialization in your genre. You can trust us for honest, neutral, and professional feedback on how to successfully publish. Or request a free editing sample from us. It includes a critique and our professional recommendations of which editing level you need based on your instructions and your personal goals. Again, thanks for visiting. Subscribe and click the bell so you can get free editing advice, techniques, and insight on how to become a better writer. Reach out with questions. We truly love working with writers.